Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So gifting a movie on Prime Video isn't done directly inside the app, but you can still send movies using Amazon's gifting features or gift cards. So first thing, choose your gifting method. Like we have two options. Option 1, send an Amazon gift card. So this is recommended. And option 2, gift a digital movie if available in your region. Okay, so gift cards are simpler and always work. Okay, but it's not available in all the countries. Okay, I don't think it's available in my country. Okay, so gift cards are simpler and always work, as I said. So send an Amazon gift card. Okay, so go to Amazon website, search for Amazon gift card. Okay, so choose email delivery. Okay, amount, enter recipient emails. Okay, so you have here, as you can see, these options. Complete purchase, so we have reload now, so you choose one of this. Okay, so this is for redeem a gift card. Okay, this one is review your balance and this one is reload. So you have here gift card that you can choose. Okay, you can choose, so enter recipient's email after you choose complete purchase. They can use it on Prime Video. Okay, so gift a specific movie, like find the movie on Amazon, look for gifts option, enter recipient details, complete purchase. Availability depends on region. Okay, so recipients redeems gifts like they receive email with instructions, redeem gift or balance, and watch via Prime Video. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.